friends, this is Dr. Zain Agha from Zain's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a healthy, immune boosting and full of antioxidant drink which consists of tomatoes and carrots. So here are the ingredients. I've got 2 tomatoes and I've got about 3 medium-sized carrots, 1 small piece of ginger, 1 lemon, and a few leaves of mint for taste, and about half a spoon of black salt. Now this is for the taste. If you don't like black salt, just forget it. You can use a little bit of normal salt and black pepper. This is the black salt. You can get it from any Asian shop. Okay, now I'm going to prepare them first and then come back to you. Okay, the ingredients are ready. I've cut the carrots into small pieces like this. And then I've cut the tomatoes into small pieces like these. And the ginger has been cut into small pieces. And I've used half lemon juice. If required, I can use the other half as well. And that is the black salt. Okay, now you're going to start putting them in here. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to put in is the carrots. So I'm going to put in the carrots now. Okay, and then I'm going to put in the ginger and the tomatoes and some mint leaves as well. Okay, and then I'm going to put in some water. So I'll have to put in a bit more. I'm going to put it a bit later. Now let's blend it first. Okay, I'm going to put in a little bit more water. So I'm going to put the bottled water. Now I'll check the taste and the consistency. It is still quite thick. I'll need more water. Okay, now I'm going to put in the lemon juice. And I'm going to put in the black salt. A little bit more water. Now I'm going to taste if the lemon is enough or would I need a bit more lemon. Yeah, just about it. Lemon is enough and it's a very, very good taste. I'm going to take it out in a glass now and then I'm going to check it. This is the glass, so I'll have to put Camera a bit down. So this is my carrot and tomato smoothie. It's full of antioxidants and very healthy. It boosts your immune system. Let me taste it again. Very nice. Okay, now please subscribe to my channel, share the recipe with your friends and make it and have it every morning before breakfast, and then have it for at least 7 days and then see how much it reduces your weight and how good it is for your health. Okay, take care and bye-bye.